good surprise. Well, continuing, guys, with the news, I got to talk about the biosector. A lot of people asking me about the biosector, guys, and it just makes sense to take a look at it right now. And we're going to go ahead and start with Astrazeneca, ladies and gentlemen. Production of Astrazeneca COVID-19 vaccine in Latin America to launch early 2021. Under a COVID-19 vaccine supply contract with the governments of Mexico and Argentina, Astrazeneca may start production in the first quarter 2021. It plans to initially produce 150 million doses for distribution in Latin America, with an upside of 400 million doses. The cost, though not final, should be no more. Whoa. Thank you very much, Andrew Grande, that's grande of you, my friend, grande of you. I appreciate it, and you deserve a Hadouken! I appreciate it, my friend. Woo, it scared me. It plans to initially produce 150 million doses for distribution in Latin America with an upside of 400 million doses. The cost, though not final, should be no more than $4 per dose. The initial supply, funded in part by the foundation of Mexican billionaire Carlos Slim, is aimed at all of Latin America except Brazil. AstraZeneca plans to transfer the relevant manufacturing technology to Mexico's Laboratorios Leomont and Argentina's Insud Group by year-end. Phase 3 trials should wind up by mid to late fourth quarter. There you go, guys. AstraZeneca kicking some booty, and let's look at the charts today. Woo! AstraZeneca with some good news, but it didn't go up. Negative 1.66, but the weekly showing good rejection. I'm liking the weekly, guys. I'm starting to like what I'm looking at here, and the rejection is creating is looking very delicious. What I just want to see, my friends, is a break of a resistance level. If we break this $57 level, can definitely lead higher. Maybe by tomorrow, we will have enough liquidity. I think AstraZeneca is starting to look very, very interesting. Let me know, guys, do you think it will be breaking the resistance level, or will it go down and fail back to the support level? Moving forward with Johnson & Johnson closing in on COVID-19 vaccine supply deal in Europe. The European Commission (EC) has finished exploratory talks with Johnson & Johnson about a potential contract to supply up to 200 million doses of its COVID-19 vaccine. If approved, the member states. The agreement, if consummated, may include an option to buy up to 200 million additional doses. The EU has allocated 2 billion euros, $2.3 billion, to procure vaccines from up to 6 producers. The EC concluded exploratory discussions with representatives of Sanofi, SNY, and adjuvant supplier GlaxoSmithKline in late July. So, guys, there's 3 symbols that we got to review over here. It just makes sense to do it. Let's take a look at J&J, my friends. Johnson & Johnson getting started over here. Okay, so Johnson & Johnson still a lot of consolidation. At the end of the day, whatever it does, whatever it does, it will be lovely. I want to definitely see Johnson & Johnson break up, retest these 150s. If it doesn't, if it goes down, guys, get ready for an opportunity because J&J is going to kick some booty pretty soon. What do you think about that, Randy? Do you agree?
Oh, yeah!
Okay, in the article, it mentioned SNY, which is Sanofi. Guys, I think everything is just settling down. You know, it's marinating, it's cooking. You got to let it do its thing, man. You know, when you put those interesting spices and different flavor profiles when you marinate your meat, oh my goodness, and then put it in the grill, and oh my goodness, guys, I'm getting hungry. Chewy, don't look at me like that, dude. I know you're getting hungry, dude. I know you're getting hungry, my friend, but just relax. So Sanofi right now, not a lot of movement. Maybe by tomorrow we will see something much better. This trend line I'm liking, and I'm liking the news that we got over here, and even GlaxoSmithKline, GSK. GlaxoSmithKline, woo. GlaxoSmithKline still in consolidation, and I'm waiting for this to break the resistance level. If it doesn't break the resistance level, we're gonna be fine. Holy mofongo, thank you very much. Andrew Grande, very grande, man. You deserve now you deserve a man, oh man, really appreciate it. GlaxoSmithKline, a lot of consolidation, but hey, look at that freaking consolidation. If it goes down, wow, this could be a great opportunity. I just don't know it will revisit the pre-COVID levels, guys. If it does, that will be a blessing. We'll see how it finishes the weekly, okay? And for GlaxoSmithKline, we're going to continue with the biosector, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look over here at encouraging COVID-19 vaccine data lifts hit biologics up 24%. Yes, microcap hit biologics jumps 24% pre-market on increased volume on the heels of encouraging preclinical data on its GP96-based COVID-19 vaccine candidate. The results, finally more results, guys, this is what we needed. Generated at the University of Miami, Miller School of Medicine, and I'm sure Miami has a lot of cases to test, showed a robust T-cell mediated immune response against the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. Specifically, the vaccine induced responses in both killer CD8 plus T cells and helper CD4 plus T cells. The results from the animal studies will be published in the coming weeks. Let's take a look, ladies and gentlemen. You've been asking about it. HTBX hit biologics. And hit biologics today rejecting this support, ladies and gentlemen, breaking the trend line. The weekly is showing us interesting rejection. I'm liking what I'm looking at here right now. $1.90. Definitely needs way more confirmations, but it's starting to look way more better. So what I want to see, guys, is a break of the resistance of $1.90. Almost did it. Very, very close to doing it. But once we get that, there could be some great confirmation to go to the upside. 16% and even 120%. Requires a little bit of patience. But I am liking that weekly candle, guys. If this turns bullish, holy mofongo, hold on tight because it's going to be an interesting ride. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Thank you, Randy. Continuing with the biosector, Sorrento calls in the lawyers against short seller.
What?
Yes. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, the report is believed to include false and or misleading statements for the sole apparent purpose of negatively manipulating the company's stock price, says Sorrento Therapeutics, responding to an item yesterday from Hindenburg Research that may have helped send the stock down 12%. Sorrento will collaborate with law enforcement and regulators to ensure that any criminal activity is investigated and rectified. Sorrento, though its legal counsel, Paul Hastings, LLP, has demanded that the organization cease and desist from illegal and wrongful activity and retract false and or misleading statements. Sorrento is also considering legal action, and we're going to take a look at SRNE, ladies and gentlemen. Sorrento Therapeutics on the daily actually went up 4.8%. Almost 5, ladies and gentlemen. Not bad at all for the start. Wow, and by the end of the week, I'm still looking at some bearish candles, but let me look at the lower time frame. But it's breaking some trend lines. This could be something interesting, guys. This could be it. This could be the move we were waiting for. And actually, let me go ahead and adjust this to the original area. And I'm liking it, even though it broke over here. So it's giving us double confirmation that this does want to go up. I'm waiting for Sorrento to go maybe to $14 even $20, guys. This could be it. This could be the moment for Sorrento, and it's been quite a ride that we've had for a few months already, guys. And hey, why not? Holy mofongo, guys. Let's see what it will do by the end of the week. We gotta wait for that. And continuing with the biosector, guys, let me cut it over here and let me paste it and go. Novavax closes COVID-19 vaccine antigen supply deal. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Novavax inks an agreement with South Korea's SK Group subsidiary SK Bioscience for the development and supply of the antigen component of COVID-19 vaccine candidate MVX-CoV2373. The parties have also signed a letter of intent with the Republic of Korea's Ministry of Health and Welfare aimed at working toward broad access of MVX-COVID or CoV2373 in South Korea and global markets. Financial terms remain confidential, but let's take a look over here at MVAX. Novavax, ladies and gentlemen, $133.02, creating a bullish candle on the daily. The weekly is showing us strong rejection. I'm liking what I'm looking at here, guys. It just needs a little bit of more confirmation, but it's getting there. Actually, look at that. You know, what I did like, and I think we mentioned it yesterday, was this area here. When we get this big wicks below the candle, is a good rejection. And look, the break of a resistance, confirm. Let's go. And now what we are waiting for is, you already know, my friends, a break of a trend line. And I'm going to go ahead and draw this one over here. And he actually did it. The next area we got to visit, as you can see over here very clearly, is to this resistance level at $150, and then even $160 could be the trend line revisit. Even after that, we can reach $186. It is insane, the ride we've caught with Novavax from $15, ladies and gentlemen, even a little bit lower, and we are at $133. It is pretty insane, and that deserves a... But I'm not finished with the biosector, ladies and gentlemen. No, not yet. I got some other ones over here, like Kitov Pharma announces ADS ratio change. And this is a penny stock in the biosector. Let me just let you know. Kitov Pharma has changed the ratio of its ADS to ordinary shares from one ADS representing one ordinary share to a new ratio of one ADS representing 10 ordinary shares. Ratio change will effective at the beginning of trading on August 21st. For ADS holders, the ratio change will have the same effect as a 1 to 10 reverse ADS split. So guys, there's going to be some Kitov Pharma movement here with the effect of this ratio change. The ADS ratio change was to enable the company to regain its compliance as per NASDAQ listing rule. If that makes sense. So it means that it will basically reduce the amount of shares. Well, actually, Kitov Pharma, this is not the price that I wanted because that's not the symbol. There you go, 58 cents. And it makes sense that it was reaching this trend line over here. We'll definitely see what it will do. But there's no good confirmations for Kitov Pharma unless it breaks a trend line. If we break a trend line, that will make sense to me. Patience is the name of the game, as you already know, my friends. Just be patient with this one and see what it will happen. But from Kitov Pharma, I want to go ahead and take a look at Biocept. Biocept, BioC is the symbol, to provide COVID-19 testing to multi-state locations.
What?
Yes, Biocept has entered into an agreement with a healthcare group operating multiple states to provide COVID-19 testing to skilled nursing facilities. We began by providing COVID-19 testing services to a few facilities within this group, and they have been impressed by our quick turnaround times, with the vast majority of our COVID-19 testing results reported within 48 hours, said Michael Nall, president and CEO of Biocept. The company's initial service is now expanded into a formal agreement for Biocept to be one of only 2 labs contracted to provide COVID-19 testing to employees and residents, patients in this system. Let's go ahead and take a look at BioC. Biocept, ladies and gentlemen, $1.01, holding on that support. The weekly is still bearish, but I think that by tomorrow we may have a little bit of a movement over here from $1 maybe to $2. Who the heck knows? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the chat room if this is gonna be a or will it fail? And guys, a lot of people asking me about this one. Yes, Xpress Spa. I've been getting a lot of questions about it. And let's go ahead and take a look at the news regarding Xpress Spa. And you may be wondering why in the biosector, Xpress Spa inks COVID-19 testing facility contract at Newark facility. Following its successful pilot program at JFK International Airport, Xpress Spa, 5.8% PM, signed a contract with the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey to provide diagnostic COVID-19 testing at Newark Liberty International Airport through its Express Check brand, expected to be fully operational in the week of August 17. It is currently building a modular constructed testing facility within Terminal B, hosting 6 separate testing rooms with a capacity to administer over 350 tests per day. Commencing August 10th, Xpress Spa will expand its testing services to the traveling public as airport traffic likely to increase in upcoming months. Xpress Spa. Let's do it to do it right, child. $3.33 going to the downside for Xpress Spa. Broke the trend line and down we go. Like there's nothing confirming here, but that's actually some interesting news. And that for me, my friends, is something that I need to keep an eye on. It makes sense to keep an eye on Xpress Spa, especially in that moment. But we still want to see a break of a trend line. If we don't have a break of a trend line, we can't confirm anything right now. As you can see, it broke this minor trend line, and I'm very patient on this one. It can even go to as low as $2.19. That is a very likely scenario, but we will wait and find out, because if tomorrow we get a break of a resistance over here at 410 and it goes to 467, then get ready, guys, because this could be turning into a possible and a very possible, and I'm trying to move this trend line to make it possible, because it is possible to do a... Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to our wallpaper. Yes, it is Bitcoin closing on the daily with a bullish candle. Ladies and gentlemen, looking very mighty delicious. I'm liking what I'm looking at. 11,823 for Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. Not bad at all. Very, 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 very good. And thank you guys for letting me know about these other symbols that we gotta take a look at. Welcome to the channel, Yoram Chung.
Boom shakalaka!
Good to see you. Let's take a look. Yes, let's go ahead and take a look at TNXP, since we're talking about the biosector, you know. And let's take a look at Moderna. Let's do it. TNXP. Woo! Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, the break of the trend line becoming a reality and making Andrew Grundy very, very happy. Wow, wow, wow. Feliz como una lombriz, Andrew. This deserves a beautiful upside, beautiful trade, my friend. Very, very good. $1.14, creating a bullish candle on the daily. Holy mofongos, very nicely done, my friend. And congratulations, very proud of you. 30,000 shares. Wow, wow, wow. Johnson & Johnson dividend X date coming up next week. Thoughts? Dude, I like Johnson & Johnson for the long term. You know, I do love my dividends, so I won't be having a problem there, my friend. And I think Johnson & Johnson is an important role in all of this distribution and manufacturing for the vaccines. Let's see over here, Moderna, mRNA. Yes, let's do it right, child. Woo! Moderna on the daily, still creating rejections. We are waiting patiently on this one. That support level is starting to look very, very good. Just waiting a little bit more, ladies and gentlemen. Patience will definitely pay off. And since we're talking about the biosector, I think it does make sense to take a look at IBIO creating rejection on the support level as well, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to look very, very good. We just want to wait for more confirmations, but it's starting to look very nicely. Very nice, very nice. Inovio, at the end of the day, rejecting as well, and I'm liking the rejection that it has over here. That seems to me like a support level. Definitely waiting for a trend line break for more continuation. And we didn't take a look at Vaxart. I think we did. We didn't. I don't remember, guys, right now. But Vaxart is starting to look very legit. From $9 to $12. Ooh, just waiting a little bit more. Seeing that weekly candle close will be good. Otherwise, if Vaxart goes down, that will be fine. But I do think that this is a strong support, guys. Let's wait and find out. Maybe by tomorrow, we will have our answers. Let's see over here. Let's take a look at, oh my goodness. Patrick, can we look at them once we're done with the news? I think it just makes sense because he's talking about technology and energy. Let me know, my friend, if it's all good. But good evening or good morning, Stranded in PR. Welcome to the channel.
Boom shakalaka!
Man, oh man, thank goodness you are asking about Pfizer PFE, because I'm not still done with the biosector then. Pfizer creating beautiful rejection on the support, guys. Ooh, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm liking Pfizer now. Much better now than yesterday. It can definitely go to that $39, $40 area. Very, very good. And as you already know, guys, Pfizer pays dividends every time I have an opportunity for dividends. I just capitalize on it. There's going to be so many opportunities, guys. What a week. Such an interesting week. And since you're asking about Pfizer, we should take a BioNTech, BNTX. Ooh, is creating rejection, my friend. I'm liking BioNTech right now. Ooh, guys, are you ready? Are you ready for tomorrow? Holy mofongo, ladies and gentlemen, this is looking very toasty. Man, oh man, let me know what you think about BNTX. Starting to look very, very good. And I'm glad that Stranded in PR loves dividends. And Patricia Areta, thank you very much once again. You deserve now a... Man, you guys are gonna take my heart out of my chest, dude.
Monster kill.
Supporting the channel, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Who supported now? Let me check out over here, my friends. Luis Oyoa, thank you very much for the super chat. Holy mofongo, guys. Another for Luis Oyoa, and you guys deserve a boom shakalaka, ladies and gentlemen. Holy mofongo, what a day. BNTX starting to look good, huh? Let me know, Patricia Areta, because I know you are looking for it. And I love dividends as well, my friend. Promote it to everybody. Go to these Matt Monies, Stefan Graham, go to all of these guys, Bruce Wang, and tell them I love dividends and Shui brought me here, a.k.a. David. Something like that, you know?
It's me, Mario.
Yes, and Mario, we're going to go ahead and move forward now with the technology sector, guys. I do love my tech. I don't know why. A lot of people don't pay attention to it, but dude, tech is the freaking place to do it, man. Anyways, guys. Here we go. Amazon